want this.
Timmy, what's up? This is for the people of ballet and opera.
I am Paul Mordiva Atreides, Duke of Arrakis!
Let's start the tutorial. For making fast scene, we will add 0.1 seconds different 16 clips. Now we will add keyframes at the start and end of the clip to all 16 clips. Then we will zoom the first keyframe and do this with all other 15 clips. After adding keyframes, we will export the video. First, this is clip arrangement. Arrange clips like that. First clip, 12.7 seconds. Second clip, 0.5 second. Third clip, 0.5 second. Fourth clip, 1 second. The 1 second clip you are seeing is the fast scene clip we made before. Fifth clip, 0.5 second. Sixth clip, 0.5 seconds. Seventh clip, 1 second. Eighth clip, 0.5 seconds. Ninth clip, 0.5 seconds. 10th clip, 1 second. Then, if you want to add beat in the audio, like mine, go to the beat option and click automatically generated. Now we will add keyframes to the clips. Add keyframe at the start and end of the clip, then zoom. Second keyframe. Do this with other 0.5 seconds clip also. Don't add keyframes to 1 second clip. It's not necessary to add this keyframes to 1 second clip. Only add keyframes to 0.5 seconds clip. After adding keyframes, make this graph settings for all the 0.5 seconds clip. Now we will learn the shake. Select your clip. Go to animations. Go to an animation. Select Turbulence 2. Make this for 0.3 seconds. Do this with every clip. Do this also with 1 second's clip and 0.5 seconds other clips. The 1 second clip you are seeing is the fast scene clip we make before. Now we will add more effects to make our shake more cool. Add shake effect. Add 3 keyframes, speed 100 and intensity 74 for middle keyframe, speed 100 and intensity 0 for last keyframe, and speed 0 and intensity 0 for first keyframe. Duplicate this shake effect 2 more times. Now add oblique blur. Add 3 keyframes. I add 4, but third one is unnecessary. For first keyframe blur 0 and rotate 100. For second keyframe blur 50 and rotate 28. Then I will remove third keyframes because it's unnecessary. Then for last keyframe rotate 40 and blur 0. Then duplicate 1 time this oblique blur like you did with shake. But in case of shake you duplicate 2 times. But for oblique blur, duplicate 1 time. Now we will add overlays. This white character transition you are seeing I teach you before in my recent video. I will put link of that video in the description and pin comment, so check it out. So this overlay is the first clip when music beats start. Go to animation and add Turbulence 2. Make second to 0.3, add black image of 0.5 seconds in the main track. Now this 1 second clip in the main track you are seeing is the fast scenes we made earlier. Now, add 1 second remove background clip in the overlay. Select clip, go the animation, go to the combo, and select zoom 1, and do this with other overlay. As you can see, I add 2 clips in the overlay. Now this is the glow 2 effects that is added on the overlay, size and glow, both 100 and duplicate 1 more time. Actually, one is for adding glow in the back of the character, like when I delete one of the overlay that has no glow effect. Only the glow effect overlay remains. Now I will delete the glow effect overlay. As you can see, my video looks good without that overlay. That's your choice if you want to add this overlay. Now moving forward, this is the next 1 second clip. We will also add 2 overlays just like before and add animation zoom 1 to both. To make your video more cooler, we will add wide angle effect. Then add 2 keyframes, intensity 100 for first keyframe and 0 for second keyframe, and then duplicate the wide angle effect. So now this is the whole project preview now. First the 12 second clip, then some overlays, then effects. I already teach you about effects and overlay, then again overlays, then effects, then overlay, and then effects.